nights out, lying in your arms, and these feelings start to change. One look into your eyes and I'm floating far away. I've never been here before.